everybody, welcome back to my channel Kim Chabada. I am Aditi and this video is going to be about my small, book review. The book today that I am reviewing is by Durjoy Datta and this is what the cover looks like. I love the cover. The book is world's worst slash best boyfriend, like it's cut off, the worst part is cut off and it's given the best boyfriend. And actually, when you read the book, you know why this has been cut off and it's written best boyfriend. I think that's the sarcasm of the book. So here's what I'm gonna read, the back side of it. Okay. Hate is a 4-letter word, so is love, and sometimes people can't tell the difference. Dhruv and Aranya, I don't know why the girl's name is Aranya, but I'm gonna call her Ananya. That's so much better and cleaner. So Dhruv and Ananya spend a good part of their life trying to figure out why they want to destroy each other, why they hurt each other so deeply, and why they can't stay away from each other. Okay, the answer is just as difficult each time because all they've wanted is to do the worst, most miserable thing to each other. So basically they just fight, yet there's something that tells them this is not it. If you want to know the answer to all of this, read the book. Okay, so the book starts with Dhruv. He's around 11 or 12-year-old. He goes to school. His parents fight so much that they are on the verge of divorce. Now Dhruv ki mom is a teacher in the same school where Dhruv studies. So now Dhruv's mother is on the verge of getting a divorce with Dhruv's father, and now there's a rumor that's going on in the entire school that Dhruv ki mom is having an affair, chakkar locha, with the principal of the same school, and that puts Dhruv in a really awkward situation. Now on the other side, Ananya is like a really nice girl and people are like सब बच्चे are like, oh my god, तो इसको हाथ लगाएंगी तो the disease is infectious and she's been through so much in her life that she's just 11 or 12-year-old and people think that if you touch this girl you would get the disease. So everybody is like stays away from Ananya and she's like all alone. Now Dhruv comes to school one day and he does not have any lunch. Her parents are divorced. His parents are divorced, and he comes to school. He's so damn hungry. The break, yeah, he's on the break. Recess chalu hai. He does not have anything to eat. Oh my god! And he will never in the world accept his mom's tiffin. Her mom's daily makes something for him, and he does not accept it. And he comes to know that she's having an affair with the principal and people are talking about it, so he gets so pissed off and so mad that he leaves his mom and the girl. She offers him the tiffin and that's how the friendship starts. Now they fall in love eventually. They're 11, 12, hardly one day they are found inside a closet somewhere. They were kissing. People come to know there are a lot of lies. इतने झूठ बोले हैं इन लोगों ने, oh my god. And the book is entirely based on the lies. इतने झूठ बोले हैं. The girl lies something about the kiss and it makes it so much complicated. The guy gets expelled from the school. He's hardly 11 or 12 and then there is like a leap of 5 years. Now they are 18, 19 and accidentally they come get admission in the same college and now they clash with each other. And she doesn't know who that guy is, but then when he looks at her he realizes that yeah, that's the girl. When the girl looks at the guy, she does not remember who that guy is. And Dhruv is like, when he's in relationship, he's totally in relationship 101%. He does not like lies. I love that about him, that he does not like lies. People who lie to him, he will destroy them. He destroyed so many people's life in this book. I don't know if it's a fictitious character or what, but he says करके अगर उससे कोई झूठ बोले तो उसे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, because his mom lied and that's why you know वो रह गया उसके साथ उसके लाइफ में कि he cannot just take people who lie. His mom and then his girlfriend Ananya, whom he thought कि वो उसका forever होगा, but वो Ananya है and she was not forever for her. She gets admission, both get admission in the same college, they compete. She comes across there's a Professor Raghuveer. He's very smart, very young, this kid, he's like 29. She falls in love with him, the guy falls in love, Raghuveer falls in love, and there are rumors spread around across in the entire college कि professor and student having a chakkar. Oh my god. So then the principal comes to know, he fires Raghuveer and he eventually comes back. The girl gets placed, she is in a relationship with Raghuveer. There is a character, that is my favorite character, he's Sanchit. Sanchit is a final year student, he's friends with Dhruv. I don't know, accidentally he's friend with Dhruv and he's the cupid in the entire story. He tries so freaking hard to make Dhruv and Ananya as a couple happen. Sanchit, oh my god, Sanchit is like, he's a Microsoft placed, he was like placed in Microsoft company and like super kid, super brainy, nerdy kid. He was an awesome character, I love his character in the book. And what else do I need to tell you? Yeah, so then Sanchit is the guy who so hard, like he tries so hard to make them realize that they're actually in love, still in love with each other and not with different people. Dhruv dates some other girl, Ritika, and Ananya is dating Professor Raghuveer, who's not professor anymore, and oh my god. So bottom line of the story, they lie, they don't know that they are still in love with each other. There's always a cupid, that is Sanchit, who tries so hard for them to realize that they are actually in love, and the end. Okay, so I'm not gonna tell you what happens that makes her leave Professor Raghuveer and she goes back to Dhruv or not. I'm not gonna tell you anything about that because Ananya, she's like the most self-conscious person out there. She's like always conscious, like she's been brought up in a family where you know, her parents keep on telling her about the looks and stuff like that. So she's so conscious that she cannot imagine her life with Professor Raghuveer. Raghuveer is like the handsomest guy she could come across, and a handsome guy liking her, that was she was like on cloud 9. Yeah. So for you to know what happens at the end, for if she realizes her true, you know, true love is Dhruv or not, for that you got to read Dirja Dad's World's Best Boyfriend. Yes. So I'm going to rate this book around 3.3 and the cover would be 3.6 definitely. I love what he's done with the heart, and yeah, whoever the illustrator, whoever the designer is, he's done some seriously good job. So the cover and the design, 3.6. So that is pretty much it for this video, and I'm gonna speak to you guys soon. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your family, and I will love you guys more. Okay, that's it.